Hey guys, this is Samsung soundbar B750D. This soundbar is 5.1 channel soundbar. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV. You can connect this soundbar to TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. So we're going to hook this up using optical cable. Go at the back of the soundbar and hook it to digital audio optical. Push it in and it's in. Then take the other part of the cable, go to the back of your TV to optical digital audio out. And it's in. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to plug in the soundbar to the power and also plug the TV to the power. Then switch the soundbar on. Use the input to select DG in for optical, DG in. Switch TV on. This is actually TV audio. So if you go to your TV settings, so once you switch the TV on, go to your TV settings. Use the gear button to select the TV settings. Scroll down to the sound. The sound is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound. Then scroll to the side to optical. Optical out device, select on it. This is the audio, so it's connected, and when it's in optical, you increase the volume using the soundbar remote.
Tonight, our weather front still tries to sink south. It bumps into that high pressure, so it's weakening all the time. There will be showers across the north and the west. So tomorrow we still have our weather front with us. Again, there's a band of cloud, the odd spot of rain in it.
So this is how to hook this up. We want to go to YouTube, go to home, select YouTube. Select epidemic sound. So if you use the TV remote to increase the volume, it will show you that the volume is cancelled. So you need to use the soundbar remote to increase the volume. And this is volume. This is volume 20. If you go to TV settings, scroll down to the sound, it will show you optical out device. What I want to do is to show you how to hook this up to your TV with HDMI cable. Go at the back of the soundbar and connect the cable to HDMI TV ARC. Hook it in and it's connected to HDMI to TV ARC. Then take the other end of the cable, connect it to your TV to HDMI into e-ARC. And it's in. Now the next thing you need to do is switch the soundbar on. Now it's showing us DG in. You need to select HDMI TV ARC. TV ARC. So you need to select TV ARC. Now switch the TV on.
Yes, the answer to that.
It's actually connected. You need to select, use the gear button to select the TV settings. Scroll down to the sound. The sound is showing us HDMI ARC device. HDMI ARC device. So this is actually connected. If it is not in HDMI ARC device, then you need to select on the sound and scroll to the side and look for where it's written HDMI. But this is now connected with HDMI ARC device. Another thing is when it's in HDMI, when it's connected via HDMI ARC, you can control the volume using the soundbar remote, likewise using the TV remote. Now I want to go to YouTube, scroll down to the YouTube. Select YouTube. This is Epidemic Sound. This is game. This is game. Adaptive DTS. Bars up. So you can select particular preset mode you want. This is standard.
We gon' break up, then we make up. And we're gonna be friends. There's the fire, take me higher. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again. We gon' break up, then we make up. Act like we're gonna be friends. Raise the fire, take me higher.
So guys, if you go to your TV settings, scroll down to the sound. The sound is showing us HDMI ARC device. So this is how to hook this up. If you look on the sound, showing us HDMI ARC device. So this is how to hook this up, how to hook the soundbar to your TV via HDMI. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth. This is currently connected using HDMI cable. Now to connect this to your TV using Bluetooth, you need to select Bluetooth from the input. You select Bluetooth, and once you select Bluetooth, it's showing us now BT pairing. So it's looking for available Bluetooth device. You select your TV settings. Use the gear button to select TV settings. Scroll down to the sound. The sound is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound. Then scroll to the side to Bluetooth. Scroll down to device list. Enter to search for available Bluetooth device. It's now searching for Bluetooth device. Here we go. B series soundbar. You need to select on it. It's connecting and it's connected. So if you go to your TV settings, scroll down to the sound. The sound is showing us Bluetooth device. So this is connected. This is the audio. And when it's in Bluetooth, you can increase the volume using the soundbar remote, likewise the TV remote. So if we See the volume here from the TV. So this is how to hook this up to your TV via Bluetooth. If you want to change it back to HDMI, then you need to select the input to TV ARC. And it's now changed back to HDMI. So now it's connected back to HDMI. If you go to your TV settings, scroll down to the sound, it's showing us HDMI ARC device. Once you select the HDMI, it will change the Bluetooth once you connected it with the cable. So this is now gone back to HDMI cable, but initially we connected it via Bluetooth. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. This is how to hook this up to your TV via Bluetooth and back to HDMI cable. Thank you and stay blessed.